Hi, I'm Kelly West. I'm a licensed clinical esthetician in Beverly Hills, California, where I work with some of the world's most renowned plastic surgeons. Now, I was introduced to PMD Personal Microderm over a year ago, and I've been addicted to it ever since. So I'm really excited to get started and teach you how to use your PMD. Now, the idea behind microdermabrasion is that if you break apart and remove the dead skin cells on the stratum corneum skin layer, the body will then interpret that as a mild injury and rush to replace the lost cells with healthy new ones. This process provides numerous benefits for the skin. With the removal of the stratum corneum, the skin surface, tone, and texture are visibly improved. Also, without the stratum corneum acting as a barrier, the products in your skincare regimen are able to be fully absorbed into the skin. In fact, it has been proven that your skincare products and serums are up to 20 times more effective when used in combination with microdermabrasion. It's important to remember that everyone has a different skin type. Some skin types are delicate and sensitive, while others are coarse and durable. So before you begin the procedure, make sure that you test your skin type to learn how it will respond to the PMD Personal Microderm treatments. So I'm here with my beautiful patient, Jane, and Jane and I are gonna teach you how to use your PMD Personal Microdermabrasion system. You excited?
Oh, can't wait.
All right, me too, so let's get started. First, and this is very cool, there's no battery with this device. So you simply plug it in, turn it a quarter until it locks, and you know it's securely in place. Next, the tips. It comes with two sizes, a small applicator for the face and a larger one for the body. When you're putting the applicator on, please make sure that you press down. It will lock into place as well. The black rubber ring that you see here is called the O-ring. So when you're putting the cap on, it's important that you turn it tight enough that it locks and really attaches to the O-ring, and that's gonna allow for maximum suction. Just like that. Now, it's important that the disc sits a little bit below the plastic around the cap, okay? That is going to allow the device to get the maximum amount of suction. Next, the on-off button. It's that simple. You're ready to use the device. And we recommend using the PMD Advanced Soothing Cleanser. It's a great, gentle cleanser, and it's important that you get the skin thoroughly clean before starting your microdermabrasion treatment. Once you clean the skin, make sure that you towel dry it, pat it dry. The skin must be very dry before we start the microdermabrasion. Now we're ready for the actual treatment. When you receive your PMD, it will come with the white training disc. See this tip? That's the training disc, and that's the disc that everyone should start their PMD treatments with. As you become more proficient with your microdermabrasion treatments, then you can move on to the more abrasive tips. All right, we're ready to begin the treatment. So select an area on which to test the device. We like to recommend that you begin the treatment first on your arm and then move to the skin on your neck, just directly below your ear before proceeding to your face. To begin with, you want to take your free hand and brace the skin, meaning get a nice, tight, taut move here, and then in upward motions, take your PMD, making one pass on each area. See how simple this is? Now, it's important to note that you never do more than 2 passes in one area during any given treatment. It's extremely important to never allow this device to hover in one spot. Always keep it moving. Now, moving on to the different types of tips and how you're gonna use them. Like I said earlier, when you receive your PMD, it comes with the white training tip already on the applicator. I want you to start off using that training tip. This is gonna allow you to get comfortable with the actual flow of your microdermabrasion treatment. And also, it's gonna allow you to tell how your skin's going to react to your microdermabrasion treatment. Once you feel comfortable with this device and the results from the starter disc, it's time to advance on to the blue sensitive disc. If you're getting the results you want, great, stay with the blue tip. If you feel like your skin is ready for a more abrasive treatment, then move on to our green tip. And then past the green tip, we have an even more abrasive tip called the red tip. So the really cool thing about PMD is that this is a cumulative skincare program, and it grows with the advancement of your skin treatment. Here's another really amazing thing about PMD. It's not just for the face. You can use it on the body too. So in your kit, you get the very small tip, which is designed for the face, but then you get our larger tip, which you can use all over the body, even in those really complicated areas to treat, like the feet, the elbows, and the knees. So you can expect each disc to last 2 to 4 treatments, depending on how aggressive you are with your treatments. We recommend waiting 6 to 7 days between treatments. You need that time for your skin to recover before using the device again. Let's just go over a few quick tips and some things to remember. Number 1, begin with the white training disc to learn how to properly use the device and discover your skin type and how it's going to respond to the treatments. Once you're comfortable with the white disc, advance to the sensitive blue disc or the green disc if you feel the green will not be too aggressive on your skin. Number 2, use the small cap and small disc on the face and other tight spots on the body, and use the large cap and large disc for the body. Always pull your skin tight, use upward motions, and never hover in one spot with the device. Number 3, do not press down too hard with the disc. Once the device is suctioned to the skin, maintain the bond and constantly keep the device moving. 4, when performing a facial treatment, do not treat the area above your cheekbones near your eyes. This area around your eyes is particularly sensitive and the skin is ultra thin. Number 5, do not treat the same area multiple times until you understand your skin type and have properly tested the device and disc exfoliation level. Number 6, we recommend waiting 6 to 7 days between treatments. 7, wear sunscreen. Number 8, never use the device without the dark filter in place. 9, if you are under the care of a dermatologist, or if you're receiving any type of treatment or prescription topicals, do not use the PMD until you consult with your physician. Now, once you finish your microdermabrasion treatment, I want you to follow it up with the neutralizing toner. And this is great because it's going to restore the pH to your skin. And then finally, our moisturizing cream. And once we've removed the stratum corneum, that's that barrier, that outermost layer of the epidermis, what you're going to find is that your topical products are going to penetrate faster and work better. So use your 3-piece system, that's our cleanser, our toner, and our moisturizer twice daily to maximize the results from your PMD treatment. To clean your applicator, simply wipe out around the center and then wash the filter and the cap with an antibacterial soap. Let the filter dry and make sure that you replace the filter before using your PMD again. Okay, I know it seems like a lot of information, but I promise you PMD is so easy to use. So let's just quickly recap what you're going to do for your PMD treatment. First off, clean and dry the face. Secondly, twist the cap tight against the O-ring and make sure that the disc sits slightly below the cap. Next, use your PMD. Keep the skin tight and taut, keep the PMD moving, and do not hover. Then finally, follow up with your toner and finish up with the daily moisturizer. If you follow these instructions closely, we are absolutely confident that you will love the results you receive from your PMD personal microderm treatments. For more information, videos, tips, and testimonials, please visit us at www.personalmicroderm.com. We always welcome your comments, questions, and feedback. Thank you for watching, and you are now ready to use your PMD personal microderm and begin uncovering your younger, beautiful skin.